Hello and welcome to Irish Christmas Hampers with Irish Gourmet, whereby we're going to show you in this video how to put together a number of Irish products and display them in a Christmas hamper in a way whereby it is both poetic and beautiful.
Yeah.
We said both. We split the products into two types: the products that we want to have on the top, and then the remainder of the products
that can be placed in the bottom.
You can usually identify some sort of a color coding geometrical pattern according to what you've bought. So that means then that you're not restricted into going and buying everything of the same color or everything of the same type, because people like variety. Therefore, when you've decided upon your overlay, everything else can simply go into the hamper at the bottom part, whereby people don't see it. But it's still interesting to find them as you go through the hamper.
Yeah, it creates that experience and depth and excitement as you open it. There's more and more and more.
So we've got the things that we don't want to display, and that can usually be people's favourite flavour of crisps. So we've done this sort of from the perspective of what you like, don't you? So we know that you like cheese and onion crisp. That's your favourite.
Yeah, we've got...
We know that you're partial to a little mince pie. So
what else? We've got peanuts, almonds, dates.
Yes. Peanuts, dates, chocolate coated dates, peanut butter, chocolate dates. We've got like little nuts. We've got Deliciously Ella. I think that's
we caramel cut.
Gill eggs from County Kerry, orange.
And what's this?
And then Cork.
County Cork cheese.
Cheese or whatever. Now, if it's in the winter time, that's a wax cheese. You can slot it in because it rarely goes above 11 degrees in the winter time. If it is in the summertime, slot it into a little
cool bag with ice, and always date and timestamp that before you send it, so the recipient knows whether it's going to be safe to consume.
So we've followed our traditional formula of what people want or expect to see, and as you can see, it's quite chocolatey viands, you know. Because there's a difference between what people say they want to receive and what they actually like to receive. And that's our first layer done. So as you can see, we've got a nice front, but imagine you're coming to this and you've taken everything off, and you can then find more and more. It's a nice sort of journey. It's an interesting experience. It's fun. It's enjoyable. It's exciting. And then you just put the things on top.
So there we've got some expensive shortbread. Listmore, we've got honey from Wicklow.
Wicklow Mountains.
More scale eggs. Those ones are vanilla.
No, mint.
No? Oh, mint.
You always have to have mint and orange.
Yeah.
And then we have peppermint tea, because you're not really a big tea drinker, but you would like a flavoured tea, and it's also good healthy-wise. We've got the Butlers,
beautiful boxed chocolates there on top.
And then we have crackers. We've got your mince pie,
Christmas pudding.
And chocolate log, and then you got your, I think these are from County Offaly. Is it?
Handmade with their own oats cookies with chocolate chips.
And then we just have a turkey. A chocolate lolly turkey for a bit of fun.
This is our finished look. What a Irish Christmas hamper can look like if you're creating it from home. If you've enjoyed this video, please do check out some of our others, and thank you for watching.